We are pleased to show you the 2022
Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners.
and is priced below $60,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive,
Heated side mirrors,
traction control,
daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights,
remote trunk release, power driver mirrors.
navigation system, security system.
Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.